Hello class 8th, welcome back to the channel. And as you know, we are doing chapter 2 linear equation in one variable exercise 2.4. First 5 questions हम last video में कर चुके हैं. So let's start with the 6th question. There is a narrow rectangular plot. Again I am back to the rectangular plot. Rectangular plot means we have length and breadth. The parameter of the rectangle is twice of L plus B and the area of the rectangle is L into B. अब इस रिविजन के बाद हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio of 11:4. We will stop here and we will start writing. Let length of the rectangle be 11x and breadth of the rectangle be 4x as it is 11:4. अब हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. At the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. फेंस का मतलब क्या होता है? उस प्लॉट को चारों तरफ से कवर करने में विलेज पंचायत को 75,000 रुपीज लगेंगे at the cost of 100 rupees per meter. So how we are going to find the parameter of the plot? Parameter of the rectangular plot is equal to 75,000 rupees divided by rupees 100. So that will give us 750 is the parameter of the rectangular plot. So now how are we going to form the equation? Equation formed is equal to twice of length plus breadth is equal to 750. We can write it here. Twice of L plus B is equal to parameter. Now 11x plus 4x is what? 15x. So twice of 15x is equal to 750. We can transpose this 2 there. So it will become 15x is equal to 750 divided by 2. So that will give us 375. So now again we will transpose that 15 to next side and it will give us 375 divided by 15 gives us 25. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 25. So finally the length of the plot will be 11 into 25. And what is 11 into 25? 2 यहाँ लिखा, 5 यहाँ लिखा and उन दोनों का एडिशन बीच में लिखा. This is a trick to multiply any number with 11. You can see my another video where I have shown all the tricks. Okay, beside that we have got the length of the plot. Now we are coming to the breadth of the plot. Breadth of the plot will be 4 into 25. That will be 100 meters. Therefore, you will write, therefore, the dimensions of the plot are 275 meters and 100 meters. And we are done with the 6th question. Let's move to the 7th question. जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. आप सोच रहे होंगे मैम ये गाना क्यों गा रही हैं. इस गाने का आपके इस मैथ्स से बहुत बड़ा रिलेशन है. रिलेशन ये है कि हमें मैथ्स 10th तक पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है. तो जब पढ़ना है तो हम क्यों ना इसे इंटरेस्टिंग वे में पढ़ें और इसे अपना फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बना लें. सो मेरी भी वही कोशिश है. लेट्स सी मैं कितनी सक्सेसफुल हो पाती हूँ. ओके, अब हमारा जो 7th क्वेश्चन है दैट इज हसन बाइज 2 kinds of cloth material for school uniforms, shirts material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser materials that cost him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. That means हमारा आंसर जो होगा, how it will start. Let the ratio of the shirt versus trousers is 3:2. let the ratio of shirt is to trouser be 3:2. Okay, now what is the cost of shirt? That is 50 rupees per meter. So what will be the cost of the shirts? Cost of the shirts will be 50 into 3x. We can also write it as 3x. Let's read the 8th question. Half of the herd of the deer, herd of the deer means झुंड, deer का झुंड, are grazing in the field. Okay, सबसे पहले तो half of the herd of the deer. So how we are going to start our question? Let the total deers be x. Total deers are x. Half of them are grazing in the field. So deers grazing in the field is equal to x upon 2. आगे बढ़ते हैं. 3/4 of remaining are playing nearby. 3/4 of remaining. अगर half of them were grazing तो remaining कितनी हो गई? Remaining deers become x minus x by 2. That becomes again x by 2. और x by 2 जो remaining रह गई हैं, half अगर graze कर रही हैं तो half बचेंगी. उसका जो 3/4 है, they are playing nearby. That means 3x by 8 are playing nearby. And rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. So हमारी equation क्या बनेगी? Equation formed will be, these are grazing, these are playing, and these are drinking water. और इन तीनों को मिला के total numbers of deers कितनी है? x. Now we'll solve the equation. Okay, इसका LCM होता है 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4x plus 3x plus 72 is equal to x. So we will take this here. So it will become 4x plus 3x plus 72 is equal to 8x. So we will place this 72 here and 4x plus 7x will be transposed here and it will become this. So 72 is equal to x. That means the final answer is, therefore the total number of deer in the herd is 72. Don't forget to write the final statement in the word problems. Aren't they getting easy? Yes, if Mammy easy बोल रही है and you people are not enjoying, do tell in the comments anytime when you start studying. The most important question is, whenever you start studying, do comment, are you enjoying the questions? Are these questions becoming little easy for you? Okay, with that, let's move to the 9th question. चलिए next question को read करते हैं. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. हम एक यहाँ pause लेंगे. Grandfather कितने हैं granddaughter के? He is 10 times of the present age of his granddaughter. So how we are going to start our question? Let present age of granddaughter be x. So present age of grandfather will be what? As grandfather is 10 times of his granddaughter, so he will be 10x. Simple equation. He is also 54 years older than her. He is also 54 years older than her. अगर हम उस ग्रैंड डॉटर की एज में 54 ऐड करेंगे, सो वी विल रीच द एज ऑफ द ग्रैंडफादर. सो आवर इक्वेशन इज फॉर्म्ड. सो इक्वेशन फॉर्म्ड is equal to 10x is equal to x plus 54. Now we'll start solving. We'll transpose the x to this side. So it will become 9x is equal to 54. We will transpose this 9 to other side. It will go that side and it will be divided. अब तक तो हमें ये सारे steps याद ही हो गए हैं. And finally we have got the value of x is 6. Therefore, the present age of the daughter, age of granddaughter, not daughter, granddaughter is 6 years. So what is the present age of grandfather? Grandfather थे उसके 10 times. So 10 into 6 gives us 60 years. So the final statement is granddaughter's age is 6 years and grandfather's age is 60 years. अब तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे साथ आप भी इन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स के बादशाह तो बन ही गए होंगे. हो गए हैं कि नहीं परफेक्ट? चलिए एक क्वेश्चन और रह गया है, उसे भी सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. लेट्स रीड द 10th क्वेश्चन. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Stop. Pause. What is Aman's age? He is 3 times his son's age. That means we will be starting our question with let son's present age be. क्या होगी son की age? X. And Aman is 3 times his son. So what will be the present age of Aman? It will be 3x. Now we'll read further. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago. So 10 years ago his son's age was, आज की प्रेजेंट एज में से 10 माइनस कर देंगे. एंड 10 years ago अमन्स एज वॉज, उसकी प्रेजेंट एज में से भी हम 10 को माइनस कर देंगे. नाउ वील रीड इट फर्दर. ही वॉज 5 times ऑफ हिज सन्स एज. सो हमारी इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी? दैट अमन बिफोर 10 years वॉज 5 times ऑफ हिज सन्स एज. वो 5 times था जो सन की एज उस वक्त 10 years पहले थी. सो वी हैव गॉट द इक्वेशन. लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x minus 50. मैं एक ही स्टेप में दोनों ट्रांसपोजिशन कर दूंगी. वी विल डू -10 प्लस 50. 50 को यहाँ ट्रांसपोज कर दिया और 3x को वहाँ ट्रांसपोज कर दिया. सो 40 इज इक्वल टू 2x. दैट गिव्स अस दैट x इज इक्वल टू 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट इज 20. सो व्हाट आर देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस? देयरफॉर प्रेजेंट age of son is 20 years. And what is father? Present age of Aman will be 3 into 20. That means Aman is 60 years. And with this, we are done with the last question also. So again, before ending the class, do like the videos, share the video with more of your friends. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, go and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.